In this short tutorial, I will show how to buy shares of JD Sports Fashion PLC from start to finish. JD Sports Fashion PLC is a retail sportswear and footwear group listed on the LSE PLC under the ticker JD.L, and this is an educational overview, not financial advice. To buy JD.L, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will typically verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box, type the ticker JD.L, and locate the JD Sports Fashion PLC listing to ensure you have the correct stock. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the price chart, confirming the listing is JD Sports Fashion PLC. Check market details and recent price history before proceeding. Tap Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled for the next session. And if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After the order fills, you will see your JD.L position in your portfolio. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to follow the same step-by-step process.